Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is Hamza Noor and today I'm going to solve International A-Level Edexcel P4 January 2022 paper. And I'm going to upload a separate video for each and every question. And in this particular video, I'm going to solve the question number 1 of this paper. So it says that the curve C has equation xy square is equals to x square y plus 6, where x is not equal to 0 and y is also not equal to 0. So the requirement is to find an equation for the tangent to curve C at the point P, which is 2, 3, and you need to give your answer in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are integers. So here we have an implicit function which has a combination of x and y variables. We are going to differentiate each and every term with respect to x, and first we are going to find the dy over dx function. So we are going to differentiate each and every term with respect to x. First of all, we are going to differentiate x multiplied by y square with respect to x, and this will be equals to, we are going to differentiate x square y with respect to x plus we are going to differentiate 6 with respect to x. Each and every term will be differentiated with respect to x. So first of all, we are going to differentiate xy square with respect to x, and for that purpose, I'm going to use the product rule formula. So I'm doing some working over here. U is equals to x, so therefore u dash is equals to 1, and v is equals to y square, so therefore v dash will be equals to 2y multiplied by dy over dx. Okay, so whenever the term which is related with y, either it is algebraic or trigonometric or exponential or the logarithmic or the inverse trigonometric, whatever the variable of y is, okay, whenever in an implicit function it is differentiated, first it is differentiated with respect to y and then it is multiplied by dy over dx according to the chain rule concept, such that we can say that y square is differentiated with respect to x. So this is a basic concept of implicit functions. So uv dash plus vu dash. So I'm going to write this expression uv dash plus vu dash over here. So u times v dash is supposed to be x multiplied by 2y multiplied by dy over dx plus v times u dash, this is y square. And then we have equals to sign. And now we are going to differentiate x square y with respect to x, and for that purpose, I'm doing the working over here. U is equals to x square, so therefore u dash is equals to 2x. V is equals to y, therefore v dash is equals to 1 multiplied by dy over dx. So uv dash plus vu dash. So I'm going to write the expression over here, x square multiplied by dy over dx plus y multiplied by 2x, and then plus this constant term 6, when it is differentiated, it becomes 0. So I've just mentioned 0 over here. All right. So now we have something like this, that 2xy multiplied by dy over dx plus y square is equals to x square multiplied by dy over dx plus 2xy. So far we have achieved this thing. So now in order to get the dy over dx function, we would collect the terms which are related with dy over dx on one side of the equation and the terms which are not related with dy over dx on the other side of the equation. Okay, so my next step would be something like this: 2xy multiplied by dy over dx minus x squared times dy over dx, and this whole thing is equals to 2xy minus y square. So now if I take dy over dx as common, I'm left with 2xy minus x square, and this whole thing is equals to 2xy minus y square. So now when dy over dx is made the subject of the equation, this is equals to 2xy minus y square divided by 2xy minus x square. All right. And first of all, we are going to find the value of dy over dx at x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3, because we are interested in finding the equation of the tangent to the curve at the point P, which is 2, 3. And for that purpose, first of all, we would need to find the gradient of the tangent at point P. Okay, so dy over dx at point P will be, in place of x, we are going to write 2, and in place of y, we are going to write 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 minus 3 square divided by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 minus 2 square. Okay, so far we have achieved this thing. So 2 times 3 minus 3 square divided by 2 times 3 minus 2 square. So the value of dy over dx is 3 over 8. So now I'm going to find the equation of the tangent, and I'm continuing the working on the top. Okay, so when we want to find the equation of the tangent at the point P, this means that we need to find the equation of a straight line which is having a gradient of 3 over 8, and it passes through the point P, which is 2, 3. So therefore, y minus y1 is equals to m multiplied by x minus x1. So y minus 3 is equals to 3 over 8 is completely multiplied by x minus 2. So now in the next step, 8 is completely multiplied by y minus 3, and this whole thing is equals to 3 is completely multiplied by x minus 2. So therefore, 8y minus 24 is equals to 3x minus 6. So now I'm going to collect all the terms on one side of the equation. So 3x minus 8y minus 6 plus 24 is equals to 0. So therefore, 3x minus 8y plus 18 is equals to 0. Here we have found the equation of the tangent in the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, and c are integers. So this is supposed to be our final answer. So this was question number 1 of International A-Level Edexcel P4 January 2022 paper.